Here's how to set up your Zoom account for your online music classes. To set up your Zoom account, simply go to zoom.us. You can search this in Google or type zoom.us into your navigation bar. You can sign in to any existing account, or you have the option to create a new Zoom account for free. Zoom accounts for young musicians should be set up using the parent's email address. Simply enter it in the box and click Sign Up. You will soon receive an email from Zoom to activate your new account. When you click Activate Account, you will be brought back to the Zoom website to finish the last of the details to set up. We would prefer if all students were able to access their lessons via a laptop. However, we understand that this is not always possible, and the Zoom.us app is also available on Apple or Google Play Store. We're really looking forward at Music Generation Waterford to seeing all of our students back playing music again soon.